how to really let go and manifest what you want. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you don't already know me, I'm Juliet Cleary. I'm a manifesting coach, and if you are new here, please make sure to subscribe and tap the bell icon for upcoming videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Okay, how to really let go. This is such an important thing, but it's also very difficult, and a lot of us don't really know how to completely let go and detach from the things that we really want and some things that we really need. But when you do it, it often makes things manifest. Well, it does. It makes things manifest so much faster because there's less resistance there. So firstly, how do you let go of something that maybe is painful, or maybe is just so in your face? You've got so much, like it's got so much of your attention, or it's something that you really want, and it's something that you think about often. Okay, how do you detach from that? How do you let go? Well, firstly, the thing that you have to keep doing is deciding that you are going to feel good instead, like regardless of this problem or this thing that's not happening yet. So you've got to continue to choose to let go, to choose to let go and allow yourself to feel how you want to feel, right? And there's relief in that because you want to feel good, and everything that you want to manifest in your life is because you want it, because it's going to make you feel good. So you need to allow yourself to feel good no matter what. And sometimes it's hard, and that's okay. You just got to soothe yourself. Do not beat up on yourself on those days where you're struggling. But there's always a new day. You get to go to sleep, release your resistance, and you get to wake up to a new day, which means a new you, which means a new focus, a new vibration, new energy. Okay, and you get to start that day however you choose to start that day, with whatever thoughts that you choose to think when you wake up in the morning. As you go through your day, and as you begin to notice that you don't have something that you want, or there's this thing in your life that's upsetting you or bothering you, that's when you need to say to yourself, I need to let go. I'm going to just surrender. I give up. I give up. I give up. I surrender it over to the universe. I give it up and I give it over to the universe. It's not my job. The universe will figure it out. It is my job to feel better now. I am going to feel good. My happiness is not dependent upon this situation or this experience, this person, whatever it is. You get to choose how you feel. You get to choose what you give attention to and what you focus on. And so you need to keep choosing your happiness, your alignment. You need to keep choosing to feel better, just a little better, right? You need to keep choosing to soothe yourself instead of beating up on yourself. If something has not worked out the way that you've wanted it to, remind yourself every single time that that uncomfortable feeling or thought comes up, remind yourself that if it's not this situation, if it's not this job, if it's not this person, if it's not this whatever, something better is coming. If something has not worked, it means something better is on its way, right? There is no downside. You cannot lose. This is a win-win. I get people wanting to manifest, you know, their ex back, for example. And what I tell them is to let go first. Let go of the outcome. Let go of the specifics. Let go of needing it to be this specific person. And so that's what I want you to do. Let go of needing it to be this person, because if it's not this person, it's someone better. Let go of needing it to be this job or this house or this car, because if it's not, it's something better. You will win. You will eventually win. You will get exactly what you want. When you're aligned with what you want, it'll be like a magnet to you. So whether that's a person or that's a job, that's the money, that's the health, it's like two magnets, right? When you're in alignment with something. It's not your job to figure it all out, all right? leave it up to the universe and keep surrendering. Just keep saying, I surrender, I give up. I'm just gonna leave it in the universe's hands and I'm gonna go get the happiest that I can possibly be, all right, in the moment. And that's different each day, and that's okay. If you have a bad day, who cares? It really doesn't matter, because there is a new day, a new day, a new day. There's always another day that you can start over. So just in every moment when you have that feeling of, that uncomfortable feeling of, wow, I don't have what I want, or you're worried about it, or you're trying to figure it out, just bring it back to your alignment, your happiness. You know that is the one important thing. You know that when you change your energy, you change your life and you become a magnet to the things that you want. So you need to feel better. That's your only work. That's your only job, is to be as happy as you can be, as often as you can be, and don't beat up on yourself when you're not there. Okay? So remind yourself again and again, if it's not this, it's something better. What you want, it's not even always on the way. It's right here. It's right here. It's always accessible to you. Okay? And your only job is to get into alignment and leave everything else up to the universe. Leave all the details, unless you are inspired to think about it specifically in a good feeling way, and or take action. You have a good feeling impulse to take action, then you do so. Otherwise, for these tricky subjects, you leave it up to the universe and you go get happy. And you'll be amazed at how things kind of sort themselves out for you, because you have this universal manager doing all of the work, all of the organization, all of the orchestration for you. You just need to choose where you put your attention, how you're feeling, and focusing more of the time, okay? And you can do that. Just let go of the specific outcomes. Just don't worry about how it's going to end up. Worry about how you are feeling. However you are feeling is how it's going to end up. So if you're feeling worried, you're moving toward a reality that's going to worry you. So just soothe yourself. And as you feel gradually a bit better, you're moving toward a bit better reality. And then if you can focus, you know, on joy, or you can practice gratitude and appreciation whenever you can throughout your day, you're moving toward this amazing reality where you're going to feel grateful and appreciative of everything that you have, right? So that's a match to exactly what you want. Just continue to release any fear, let it go. You don't want to be creating anything of that. You don't want to be jumping into those realities. Remind yourself that you are a creator and that your thoughts and emotions are powerful, right? And then let go and just get happy. Just remind yourself that the number one priority, the number one important thing is for you to feel happy, for you to feel good or just better from wherever you're at, and then follow through. Sometimes you have to let go or you'll just be miserable. You'll just be making yourself miserable. So let go of the problems, let go of the specifics, let go of the outcomes, and just feel as good as you can feel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. That's it for this video. I hope that it helped you. Remember to surrender and let go from here on, okay? The universe has got it all for you. It's all done. It's all figured out. You don't have to jump in and do all the work, okay? It's supposed to be easy for you. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and join me on social media. Thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate it, and have a wonderful day. I'll see you next time.